Hi guys, I'm recording this from Juneau. Had several questions on implicit differentiation. I'll send out the links to the con videos. I think they'll help, but let me apply what we learned in the con videos and do the first couple problems here. So the very first thing you do, and basically you just have to use implicit differentiation when you have both an x and a y in the formula, and it's not explicitly defined. Y is not explicitly defined as a function of x. And so the first thing you do when you have an x and a y in your equation is to take the derivative operator of both sides. So the derivative operator, or d dx, of the one side is 3x plus y squared, and the derivative operator d dx of the other side is just 6. Okay, so if you take the derivative of 3x with respect to x, that is just 3. And then if you take the derivative of y squared with respect to x, and this is what is referred to as using the chain rule, and this is d dx of y squared. And so the very first thing you do is you take the derivative of this function with respect to y, and so y squared would just be 2y. And then you have to take the derivative of y with respect to x. Well, we don't know what that is, and so you just write that as the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so we have 3 plus 2y dy dx is equal to, now this derivative of 6 with respect to x just goes away, so that's equal to 0 because there's no terms, and I think you know that. Okay, so we're trying to find dy dx, and we have it right here, and you can just treat that as a variable and isolate it and solve for it. So you just subtract 3 from both sides, minus 3, and then that gives you, we'll go right here so we don't get down into our next space. So that gives you, you have 2y dy dx is equal to negative 3, and you can just divide both sides by 2y, divide this by 2y, and you get, these cancel, dy dx is equal to a negative 3 over 2y. Okay, so this answer is going to be a negative 3 over 2y. Okay, I think I'll stop this recording and do another recording for problem number 2. I think I can go Control, Command.